Hey everyone, I'm Anne. Today, I'm showing you how to add BOGOS blocks to your theme pages, which helps you fully control where your offers appear. Alright, let's get started. As you may know, with some themes, certain BOGOS offer blocks will automatically appear under the product information of your product page. If your block doesn't show up automatically, or if you want to move it around, you'll need to add it manually. I've got a classic bundle offer set up as an example here. Let's head to the theme editor to see how it works. The bundle block is already displayed in the product information section. To change its placement, just drag and drop it anywhere within the section. And if you want to place it in another section, just click Add Section, choose BOGOS, Classic Bundle from Apps. For almost a block, BOGOS will automatically detect and show the offer that product associated with. But for BOGOS's boosters like Today Offer Block and Progress Bar, you will have to copy the exact block ID of the offer you want to appear among all. Then come to the theme editor, choose the section you want it to be displayed, and then enter them in the Offer ID section, like I'm doing. Let's see how it appears on Storefront. Now, if you want to display offers on other pages, like your home page, collection pages, or cart page, what do? Here's how. From your theme editor, choose a specific page where you want to display your block. Mine is Homepage. Then decide exactly where this block will show up and click Add Section. Then choose Apps and search for your offer type. At the top right, you'll see the offer ID. By entering the correct offer ID, BOGOS will detect and place the corresponding block exactly. For the checkout and thank you pages, the setup is even easier. However, keep in mind that the checkout upsell block is only available on Shopify Plus. Once your upsell offer is created, open the theme editor and select Checkout and Customer Accounts. For the thank you page, open the drop-down menu and choose Thank You under the Post-Purchase section. You'll see the BOGOS block already available there. You can drag it to any position within the selected section. If you want to place it somewhere else like Order Details or Order Summary, just click Add Section and choose BOGOS, Thank You Page Upsell. Don't forget to click Save to finish your setup. For the checkout page, follow the same steps. And that's how you display BOGOS blocks anywhere on your Shopify store. If you want to try this out, start with BOGOS's free plan, and you get your first 30 orders free generated by BOGOS by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.